Market analysis. General. The pandemic has an unexpected impact on housing price to sharply increase. Cutting down interest rates leads to more affordable mortgage loans and temporarily lowering house purchase tax in some markets enhances the demand for houses. Clearly, housing price in 37 countries of OECD organization in reality has risen nearly 7% in the period from the fourth quarter of 2019 to the fourth quarter of 2020. This rise ranks as the fastest in the past 2 decades. According to financial experts, with low house purchase interest rate, reopening of many countries boosted foreign investment, real estate will be motivated. The act of investing trillions of dollars into the economy to reduce the influence of the COVID-19, along with buying behaviors as people work from home, makes real estate price increasingly grows fast. As a result, there's great opportunities for real estate industry to develop in general, or units in particular to catch to flexibly improve the method. Cpie Holdings Ltd is one of the units pioneering exploiting profitable value from many industries, and taking the real estate industry is the main focus with global scale. Advantages. Many countries' governments have the policy to support development of the real estate industry to enhance investment into the country's market. Organizations, businesses are actively adapting to blockchain and supporting all the high-tech applications in business and investment. Shifting investment capital in production and service facilities of many enterprises towards fixed asset investment, causing a sharp increase in real estate prices. Disadvantages. The pandemic has greatly impacted on the economy and led to the stagnant real estate investment market. Real estate is the highly touched industry which only investors as well as project owners with enough potential and bravery can develop. The financial ability of the investors decreases due to the pandemic, and they are unable to spend too much money on investment. As a result, many potential projects are in the shortage of capital, causing a market freeze. Non-transparent transactions make many brokers suffer damage because of not receiving commissions as the deal. Advantages and solutions. Advantages. 1. Cpie Holdings Ltd has a vision to develop on the basis of new technology, leading development trend of the market. 2. The strategic partners in Vietnam include Cable Group, established by a veteran team with a lot of achievements of the real estate investment in the large scale of the community. 3. The strategy connects hundreds of thousands of investors over the globe through a super-fast selling technology with one click by applying information technology. Partners and customers are available, and investment portfolio includes projects with high value. Solutions. Attracting international investment into the market, building the ecosystem of effective investment. Cpie Holdings Ltd decides to work strategically with Cable Group to develop Cpie Invest platform in Vietnam's market and expand over the world, pioneering applying blockchain into this super profitable field. Cpie Invest will help the investors to select projects which suit their demand, to divide the capital into smaller amounts to avoid risk, as well as support the projects to quickly and easily gather the necessary amount of capital. In addition, brokers' interests will be protected thanks to transparency and security of blockchain. 3. Legal records. For more details about our company, www.labcpiexchange.com. Operation model. 1. Development unit. Cpie Holdings Ltd, based in England, is the company specializing in supporting projects in attracting capital investment. Cpie Holdings Ltd. Finance, banking, foreign exchange, stocks, technology, technology applications, cryptocurrency, real estate, tourism, international payment platforms. The company aims to develop a kind of digital technology platform that can attract investment in real estate, tourism, overcoming all boundary obstacles and differences of financial formats to connect the projects with investors from overseas. Building international real estate exchange with the application of blockchain. Cpie Company is the unit pioneering creation and development of community-driven real estate investment model in Vietnam. Utilizing our highly experienced consultants, we can support the investors having small amount of capital to take part in big projects, to increase the efficiency of the capital used and reach high proceeds as well as decrease risk compared to single investment. 2. Mission and vision. Mission. Using blockchain to enhance the efficiency of investment, diminish all obstacles involving time, distance, and business risk, to support potential projects and to develop a thriving community investment ecosystem. Vision. Being the pioneering project in applying the digital technology and blockchain to revolutionize the real estate industry in this area of 4.0. Core value. 1. Creativity. 2. Community connection. 3. Wealth creation. 4. Wealth share. 5. Digital solutions. 6. Security. 3. Operation model. Blockchain uses distributed ledger technology to ensure that information is stored securely and cannot be changed or deleted. Users can access this information from anywhere, ensuring the management of real estate operation is transparent and can be monitored by all users. The application of technology will ensure the interests of the parties involved in the transaction, in which the buyer and the seller can exchange information accurately without depending on personal trust. And the brokers also get the well-deserved benefits on each transaction. The investment rates are fragmented and highly liquid, allowing investors to have financial flexibility and expand their portfolio, while project owners can access the existing investment community, attracting capital quickly with a lower cost than the offline investment calling method. The Cpie Invest platform enables cross-border real estate investment and fundraising transactions, eliminating cumbersome procedures and limiting the risk of traditional transactions, such as changing information for the purpose of fraud, pricing, and transaction cost, or the fact that the seller and the buyer agree separately, affecting the interest of the broker. Some projects listed in Cpie Invest. 1. Apartment projects. 2. Investment in economic zones. 3. Projects of resort real estate. 4. Projects of amusement parks and casino. 5. Investment in high-tech real estate projects. 6. Investment in technology applications involving real estate. 7. Land projects. 8. Smart office projects. 3. Tokens information. 1. Introduction. Cpie International Exchange is a utility token which is developed by Cpie Holdings Ltd in cooperation with Cpie Group to attract capital investment for the projects according to community investment projects and develop features, services, and benefits for global investors. Token Cpie is not only one of the factors in the development of scale and ecosystem, but also the effective investment tool for every customer with different financial sources. Community investment model helps token owner make use of experience and knowledge from experts, easily exploit potential real estate, and limit the risk compared to the separate investment. Moreover, allow the project owner to attract capital investment and enhances the synchronous development of the whole market. 2. Specification. Ticker symbol CPIE. Logo. Type Utility Token Exchange. Technical Standard TRC20. Maximum total amount of supply 100,000 billion CPIE. Issuer Cpie Holdings Ltd. A company based in England operates in supporting real estate activities in terms of digital technology application, financial, investment support, etc. Developer Cpie, a joint stock company, a pioneer in developing a community model of real estate investment, tourism, and technology application in Vietnam. Experienced management team and advisor in investment, exploitation and operation of large-scale real estate and tourism projects. Technology platforms: Joint Link Pro, Cpie Exchange, TRC20, Technology application platforms, Cpie Investment, Cpie Exchange. Technology solutions, supplying technology platforms with a view to solving problems for those who take part in real estate by using blockchain. To be clear, 1. For investors, flexible investment, quick liquidity, non-geographic dependence. 2. For brokers, apparent information, smart marketing technology, quick reward. 3. For the investors who have to take full responsibility for the quality, progress, and investment efficiency of the construction works. Capital funding for the projects, product exchange, product promotion to the community. 3. Application, users' interest in the ecosystem. Private investors, invest in large real estate projects with small capital. Cpie holders can invest in projects listed on the system in the form of pool farming and receive profits specified for each project. Profits are paid periodically, ensuring a stable and safe source of income. At the end of the period, Cpie tokens can be converted into actual real estate products such as apartments, plots of land, townhouses, etc., according to the respective value of the property and the product. Project owners support investors to list projects to mobilize capital from the community, wholesale products. The Cpie Invest platform allows project owners to list appraised properties on the system to attract investment capital from the community at an appropriate interest rate, without facing geographical obstacles and cumbersome investment procedures. Besides, the platform also supports investors to wholesale real estate products through the platform by using Cpie token as a trading tool. Real estate brokerage with affiliate marketing tools, clear information, instant commissions. Each user can become a broker to receive commissions from projects through the blockchain affiliate marketing tool that ensures all transactions are carried out transparently, so that the brokerage is guaranteed. Initial agreement and receive brokerage remuneration immediately after the deal. P2P transaction, exchange on a platform and on digital assets exchanges, easy liquidity. Cpie will be listed on prestigious exchanges in the world according to the roadmap, expanding the participating community and the scope of activities across borders and territories, thereby promoting token value, enhancing liquidity. The token will be a tool to attract international capital into the real estate market and vice versa, allowing investors to own real estate in many different countries. Receive e-voucher to use utilities for rent, buy land, house, attend investment courses, etc. Users who own Cpie can receive e-vouchers to use for services in the ecosystem. Depending on the number of tokens held, users can get discounts up to 50% when participating in investment courses with famous domestic and foreign experts, reducing rental or buying real estate prices, etc. Additional services. Using token as collateral for low-interest loans. Users can deposit tokens into the system to receive loans in other digital assets or fiat currencies for basic needs or to seize other potential investment opportunities. The interest rate applied to borrowing activities will vary depending on the number of tokens held. Peer-to-peer loans from investors in a community. Tokens are used as collateral, allowing users to borrow peer-to-peer in the ecosystem with an interest rate agreed upon by the user. The number of tokens held for the year will be the determining factor in the amount of capital that an investor can receive from investors in the system. 4. Token allocation. In order to ensure long-term growth, Cpie tokens will be allocated in the direction of enhancing the benefits of investors. And as a means of encouraging the management and leadership team of Cpie Holdings to make maximum efforts to improve the system, tokens ecology is developed in the best way. Graph of objects allocated token. 51% project developers, 27% sold to the market, 5% the executive board, 5% founding partners, 5% the market development fund, 4% partnership development, 3% PR branding, The amount of tokens allocated to the leadership, advisory board, and major shareholders of Cpie Holdings will be freely circulated after 24 months after the Cpie token has confirmed its position in the market. However, Cpie Holdings will make the best efforts and offer many attractive programs to encourage and convince the management and shareholders to hold tokens for 10 years until the number of issues to the market reaches the limit up to 27% of total supply of 27 trillion Cpie. Project developers. 51% of the total issued tokens in the market will be allocated to members of the board of directors of Cpie Holdings Ltd. This act is for ensuring the board of shareholders to try the best for the common interests of Cpie Holdings, come up with the most appropriate business plans, bring the highest profit to the investors in the ecosystem. Selling to the market. In order to increase the recognition of token Cpie in the community of real estate investment in particular, and in the community of other digital assets users in general, community building campaigns such as airdrop and lucky draw, as well as events offline, will be conducted in parallel with the token sale. The expected number of tokens using these operations is 27 of the total number of tokens to be issued, and the optimal lock-in period to maintain the token value, enabling projects to have time, construction, and development. The Executive Board. 5% of the total amount of tokens issued to the market will be distributed to the Executive Board members of Cpie Holdings Ltd. This is to ensure that the human resources team will do the best for the common benefit of Cpie Holdings, come up with the most suitable business plans, bring the highest profits to investors in the ecosystem. Founding partners. 5% of tokens will be distributed among expert advisor partners. Real estate is a field that requires a sharp and decisive mind and is also bound by many regulations, procedures, and policies. The team of advisors plays an extremely important and irreplaceable role in every step of the project. The Market Development Fund. To concretize solutions on mechanisms and policies to further promote market expansion, 5% of the total issued tokens shall be allocated to the Market Development Fund to serve research expenses, setting up and expanding branch offices to ensure stability in many countries according to the roadmap. Partnership development. 4% of the total issued tokens are used to develop partnerships as an initial gratitude to promote the effectiveness of the plan and strategy. These tokens will not be locked to ensure maximum benefits and liquidity for partnerships. However, Cpie Holdings will continuously offer additional incentives and benefits to encourage partners to hold long-term tokens and maintain token value. PR branding. In order to build the vouchers to use for ecological services as well as to increase the awareness of Cpie tokens in the real estate investment community in particular, and the community of users of digital assets in general, extensive community building campaigns, etc. Token allocation information table and corresponding authorization period. 1. Project developers. Proportion 51%. Total supply 51,000 billion. Authorization period. Full authorization after 12 months. 2. The operating fund. Proportion 5%. Total supply 5,000 billion. Authorization period. Full authorization after 24 months. 3. Founding partners. Proportion 5%. Total supply 5,000 billion. Authorization period. Full authorization after 24 months. 4. The Market Development Fund. Proportion 5%. Total supply 5,000 billion. Authorization period. Do not apply. 5. The Partnership Development Fund. Proportion 4%. Total supply 4,000 billion. Authorization period. Do not apply. 6. PR branding. Proportion 3%. Total supply 3,000 billion. Authorization period do not apply. 7. In the market. Proportion 27%. Total supply 27,000 billion. Authorization period. Full authorization after 24 months. 5. Value background. Cpie is oriented to become an intermediary technology platform connecting three objects: investors, project owners, and real estate brokers. The proceeds from the token issuance will be used to invest in real estate projects and at the same time develop the token application ecosystem to bring the best utilities to the three participants into the platform. The superiority of Cpie Holdings is that it has a strong team of experts in high expertise in many fields to evaluate the feasibility and effectiveness of real estate projects before pouring investment capital and allowing listing on the system to manage risk well and achieve high efficiency in investment. At the same time, the platform also applies the latest 4.0 technologies such as blockchain, AI, big data, etc. to help optimize solutions for the market, giving opportunities for everyone to invest in real estate. Cpie brings a solution to digitize real estate using blockchain technology into small products for investors to easily access, with arbitrary capital, solving the weakness of real estate that requires too much capital when participating. Cpie makes it easy to liquidate when listing on international electronic exchanges and at the same time attracts resources from the red world into the real estate market. For real estate brokerage technology, with smart affiliate marketing technology along with AI application platforms, big data, Cpie Invest will provide smart business tools for brokers, access the market with accurate information, ensure receive remuneration immediately after the deal, no fraud, reduced fees, etc. Helping the investors who have to take full responsibility for the quality, progress, and investment efficiency of the construction works to seek capital and sell assets at the wholesale prices. It's an intermediary platform to connect. The token helps investors list and digitize projects using blockchain technology, helping investors access cheap capital, available potential customers to wholesale products, real estate products after the project is completed. Building a transparent and developed market. Marketing activities and offline events will be conducted globally, attracting the attention of society and creating a great influence on Cpie in the real estate investment world. These events have users experience the ecosystem features for free, understand the long-term benefits, and actively become a member of the project. With the latest technology platform combined with the highly specialized knowledge and experience of leading experts, Cpie token we promise to be a great solution to solve all current problems of individual investors, brokers, developers, investors, and state regulators in countries. Expected to become a strong development platform and a unicorn startup in the UK technology field, aiming to list on major stock exchanges in the world in the future according to the set schedule. 2020 Domestic and International Connection. Target of connection 100,000 clients. 2021 First quarter. Building a $1 billion real estate platform. Second quarter. Expanding clients up to 1 million members. First stage of selling stocks for global real estate project. Third quarter. Building an international stock exchange. Second stage of selling stocks for global real estate project. Releasing token Cpie. Stock exchange listing will be carried out with IEO Huobi Binance with starting price of $0.00001 US. Fourth quarter. Cpie exchange will come into operation, announcing stock exchange listing on stock exchanges such as Huobi Global, KuCoin, Binance, etc. 2022 Building Cpie Exchange Phase 2 and its separate payment platform. Developing global e-commerce trading platform. First quarter. opening office system operating in many countries, building a strategy for reaching 5 million members first time, upgrading capitalization to $1 billion. Second quarter, building a trading volume strategy of $10 million per 24 hour, building price strategy of up to $0.05. Third quarter, building international real estate exchange with the use of Cpie, connecting international real estate community, pushing Cpie price to $0.075. Fourth quarter, completing Cpie's own blockchain-based real estate payment platform, building price strategy for Cpie for reaching $0.5. 2023 to 2025. Focusing on studying and developing separate blockchain, forming a background to build platforms in terms of digital technology, trade, real estate. Creating a platform ranked in the top 10 applications applying blockchain over the globe. Building top 10 reputable exchanges. Building price strategy for Cpie for reaching up to $1 to $5. 2025 to 2030. Listing Cpie Holdings LLC on Nasdaq Stock Exchange of the United States. 5. Development path. Six. Project Development Team. 1. Mr. David La, Chairman of the Board of Directors, CEO of Investment, Master of International Economics. He has many years of experience management for international financial groups, have many years of experience in international real estate and technology. A $1 million entrepreneur and the founder of Cpie Holdings Ltd and Cable Group. 2. Mrs. Esther Ngo, Foreign Director, an expert in large-scale project development, senior consultant for international companies and corporations. 3. Jency Ha, Director of Technology, founder of Cpie Capital, a professional with over 10 years of experience in the field of international corporate management. 4. Mr. Kelvin, Business Model Advisor, a multidisciplinary expert, IPO and business advisor for many businesses in the US and the Americas. Currently, he is developing the application blockchain into transaction global real estate. 5. Sami Braham, Director of Strategy. Many years of strategic development for the Indian Ear Technology Group, the one who always builds the optimal strategy for an international organization. 6. Jerry Nguyen, Director of Communications, a professional with more than 20 years of experience in the field of media, connects a lot of startups globally. 7. Vasim Khan, Director of Legality, a professional with 10 years of experience on international economic law, giving legal consultation for businesses in the international market. 7. Community and Corporation. 1. Community. Creating income value for the community, a favorable environment for profitable investment, connecting the global community, creating millionaires and billionaires, ensuring the benefits and interests of the community, creating products with the application and utility for the community. 2. Corporation. Connecting partners in all territories in real estate and finance in the world. Cooperating with well-intentioned partners to build a solid foundation for the corporation and the community. Connecting with breakthrough ideas to make a difference towards optimal development in all aspects. Cooperating with companies with advanced technology platforms to develop the group's industries. Conclusion. Cpie Holdings Ltd always aim for true values, not just promises. Cable gradually went into building solid foundations, always fulfill commitments with investors, community, and partners. Take credibility as a guideline for action. The development team always accompanies and joins hands with Cpie Invest to complete the mission with the community. high determination to direct Cpie Invest to become a global group known for its breakthrough and successful ideas that bring high value to the community. It is one of the influential corporations on highly applied blockchain technology. Cpie Invest is committed to accompanying the community and developing the economy with the world.